Ang sarap. Oh my God.
Oh, good luck, guys. Thank you naman, Tangfu. Ang laki ng Colgate nila. I'm so happy. Bukas maaga ang lola nyo. Lada din Chiang Mai. So guys, medyo 1 AM na. It's 12:35 kami nagland. And then this is what Chiang Mai Airport will look like. May aerobridge naman siya, malamig yung airport. The airport is not that big, pero okay na rin. So, medyo relax ako yung trip na to. I'm here for 2 days. So, 7:30 nila ako susunduin. But I got a private tour. So, syempre, clock ko kinuha yun. And then, I got a private transfer today. And I will be staying in Shangri-La. Kasi, mas madali lang pag naka-Shangri-La tayo. And I'm sure na marami magtatanong sa akin kung may ATM ba dito. Yes, you have ICBC and you have K-Bank. K-Bank, in fairness, na-try ko yan back then. So, i-double check lang natin. I have a previous, I'll try to pull it out. Pero yes, pwede ka dyan mag-withdraw using your GCash card. Ayan, done na. Small yung airport, pero malamig, guys. And ang ganda ng weather ngayon, kakaulan lang dito. So, ay, umuulan pa pala. Medyo excited na ako for this trip. Pero yung tomorrow ko, good luck, guys. Kasi, ang aga ng call time, ang 7:30. Pero, wala tayo kailangan i-worry kasi at least it's a trip naman, diba? Ayan. O, diba? Bush! Ang ganda ng car! At ang ganda ng Shangri-La. I mean, it is what it is. So, get our bags. Check-in na tayo. Ako mauna na. Because yung mga kasama ko wala pa. And then I will go in a bit. Sa itsura ko, guys. Mukhang pagod ba? Pero, carry lang yan. Ayan. This is our room. Hindi na tayo pinaswitch. Okay, let's go in. In fairness, malamig na yung kwarto. And, malaki ang kwarto natin. This is the room, guys. This is the room. Okay. Before anything else, alam nyo naman, room tour tayo. So, pagpasok mo, guys, you definitely have your cabinets. Cabinet 1 is your safety deposit. And then you have your drawers. Okay. And then, Cabinet 2, what do you have? Oh my God, laundry basket. Laundry bag, may umbrella ka, kabayo mo, your slippers, the Shangri-La slippers, alam mo maganda. And then you have your water and Nespresso. And my gosh, cute nito guys, may pang tea sila here. So it's your tea, kind gesture daw nila. So nakatimpla na ata yung tea mo sa loob. So if ever you want. And then may complimentary kang water dyan. Mini bar mo is here with all of your mugs, your Shangri-La tea. Oh my God, may cup noodle pero hindi libre yan guys. May bayad yan. And then, syempre, yung iyong mini fridge and mini bar. Hindi po libre yan, mga yan. And then the room you have for your luggage, you have your TV, and a working station. Ito yung gusto ko with Shangri-La pen and paper. And may painting ka dito. Meron ka rin yung coat hanger mo. Oh my gosh! And of course, meron silang welcome Thai desserts. Auspicious Thai desserts. Okay. Thank you naman, Tangfu. So, Tangfu will be here tomorrow. I'm just checking. Oh my gosh. Warm welcome to Shangri-La. Diba? Kung Tangfu, dumating ka dito bukas. With all of the fruits available. And then, syempre, your chairs. Meron ka dalawang chair mo. And then, syempre, yung bed. And of course, you have your bathroom here. Guys, yung bathroom natin, may bathtub. And not only that, lahat ng amenities mo nandyan. Ang laki ng Colgate nila. I'm so happy. L'Occitane rin siya. Scale mo. You have your shower. Of course, may bidet. Nasa Thailand ka, may bidet. So this is Shangri-La for you. Maaga bukas ko. Good luck na lang sa akin. Pero, carry natin yan. But before anything else, mamaya itatry ko na rin yung auspicious na desserts. Thai auspicious Thai desserts. My gosh, parang ang sarap niya. Thank you so much, guys. Rose to. I'm sorry. Ito parang polvoron. Siyempre, di ba guys, galing na akong dentista kanina umaga. Ang sarap nito. Ang na favorite ko. And last but not least, try natin ito isa. Sarap. Cover ko na. Okay, maliligo na ako dahil bukas maaga ang lola nyo. Good morning! Fairness. Guys, ganda oh. I'm gonna have breakfast. Hintay muna tayo ng elevator. Hindi medyo maaga tour ko. 7:30. So good luck. I have 20 minutes. Okay guys, breakfast na tayo. Coffee. May croissant. Hindi siya mainit, but I think it's okay. Kaya ako kumain kasi, guys, 3 hours yung per way. So, alam natin na mahaba-haba ang tatahakit ko mamaya. And look at the view. Ganda, di ba? This is your dining area. And grabe, 7 o'clock pa lang guys, punong-puno ang buong breakfast area. Anyway, kakain muna ako. Mamaya na. So, waiting for my tour to start. Hintayin na lang natin. Maaga ako. Hindi ako pwede sabihin na late ako. Maaga talaga ako lagi.
Okay. You have breakfast already, Jack?
Yes, just very quickly.
Yes.
So at least because I read that it's like 3 hours.
Shall we?
Guys, this is the first stop, which is the Doi Chang Coffee. So, no, it's okay. This is okay. See, eto siya. Oh my god, the coffee. And the weather is so good. As in, I love the weather. And guys, oh look. Beans then, they're known for beans. So you get, I think I should get like coffee beans for JP because they're known for beans. Sakto, wala na naman akong gagawin. So, I can definitely get beans. And not bad yung price niya. $3.50. Espresso. Premium Classic. Arabica. Diba? Okay, kuha tayo. Let's get one of each. So guys, yung mga breads rin sila here. Like spinach bread, butter bread, red bean bread. Okay, let's try. Ano guys? Tapang, pero sarap. Mas masarap na yun. Masarap. Oh my God. Guys, kailangan mo i-mix. Ang sarap. Sarap. First stop is the White Temple. Oh, the White Temple is just outside. I have always thought it's like somewhere inside, very big.
It's a very big complex.
Oh my gosh.
And very
Ito pala
interesting
siya, guys.
stories. Yeah.
Gosh, this is the White Temple. Guys, ito yung map mo. So if ever you need a map, ito na makikita mo. So ito yung start ng temple. And then, ito yung buong complex mo. O, diba? So, ito siya, guys. And you can take videos here as well. This one because of Halloween? No.
No.
Always.
It's meaning, always living here.
Oh.
Because the artist want to show when you're angry, when you are sad,
Yes.
when you're bad, you're not nice to looking.
No smoking and then no drinking as well. Okay.
Free admission at here.
Yes.
The original.
Guys, yung ticket mo dyan, 100. And then, syempre, may restroom rin dito. Sabi nga ni Jackie, na ito daw, pinakamagandang restroom. Pack. O, totoo naman, ang ganda talaga ng restroom. O, diba? Guys, ayun yung CR kanina, ang ganda. And even this one.
Donation, 30 baht for one leaf. And you can write your name
I see.
for wish, love, and hope. Yeah?
Guys, ito na siya. Oh, ang ganda sobra. Look. Okay, take it in the side para at least kita nyo lahat ng mga nandyan. And you'll see everything. Ganda. Ito ang most beautiful toilet in Thailand, which is true. Ang ganda talaga. Guys, ito na siya. Oh, so perfect. And you're going to see everything here. Ito na yan.
Good dragon. Yeah. To help and support for the can be stopped here. They have the factory to building small detail and the adding and joining later decorate all.
Guys, tanggal shoes. Ayan guys, dyan yung ilalagay yung shoe bag nyo pagkatapos. Diba? Ganda. As in, intricate talaga yung details mo. It's may cave art dyan. So if ever gusto nyo, separate payment yan. If ever lang, gusto nyo pumunta na dyan yan sa loob. Guys, crematory daw to. Gateway to Nirvana. While this one naman is for yung doon sa Hindu, diba? Ang ganda talaga nito, oh. Guys, di ba? Fairness. In guys, maganda talaga. So this one, you have one for Ganesha, and then the other one, yung temple lang, lahat ng arts niya. Ito naman for Ganesha. So sabi ni Jackie, it's for, kasi ba for success, you need to pay tribute to the Ganesh god. O diba? So parang minix it. Parang both. Diba? They believe in, you have the Hindu, then you also have the Buddhist one. O diba? Kakatuwa. Ito yung crematory. So anyone can go have it cremate here? No.
Not everyone.
Not everyone.
Family.
Ito naman guys, the well. Oh, cute. Ganyan siya. Oh, thank you. Make a wish. Anyway. Just in front to guys. This is the menu. Diba? And they're known for their khao soi. So that's what we're going to order. Tingnan nyo lang yung mga menu guys. Oh, we have so many food here that you can order. And drinks, and coffee.
Smoothie.
And smoothie.
Yeah.
Oh, diba?
Smoothie.
Ayan na siya guys.
Okay, this is your hang leg and rice. Yeah, good.
Oh, they also have still the noodles. Normal noodles.
Yes, they have.
But also real fried. Yes.
For respect, yeah?
Guys, ito, nag-switch kami ng temple and then nung in-offer tong kuanin, tapos ako, yes. Guys, you also take off your shoes, as always. Oh my gosh, guys, ang ganda nitong temple. Look! Gosh, it's so pretty. Ganda. Oh my gosh. Sobrang ganda. I tell you. Grabe. Guys, oh. Ganda. Ang laki. And almost 15 years na tong temple na to. And this is the outside of this temple pa. Ganda. And guys, may shuttle bus daw dito to go to the Kuanin. So it's free shuttle. O, diba? O, turo yan ni Jackie, guys. Pag wala si Jackie, hindi ko alam yan. Sakay ka lang, oh. Oh, aakyat kasi, guys. What? And this is it. Oh. Hindi ba shoes pa rin? Alam niyo yan, guys. This is it. Guys, 40 baht lang to for you to go to the lift. O, diba? So, bili tayo. Ganyan na siya, guys. So, got it. Guys, ito na yung loob. Look at it. And then, dito may viewing point, oh. You see that? That's like the viewing point dyan. Sa Ayat na Budaya. Let's wait for them to finish. Guys, ito yung mga viewpoint mo here, oh. Like everything here. Ang ganda, you can see everything from here. At ang ganda, everything's intricately made. Look, 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 grabe. Ayun na siya, guys. Everything. Legit. O yung circle na yan, diba? Yan yung viewpoint na yan. Yung Dragon Circle or Dragon's Viewpoint. Papunta dito, yan yung overlooking kanina. Buong yan. Wow! Kita nyo? Grabe. Ganda. Thank you so much for bringing me here.
Okay.
Guys, ito yung Blue Temple. And sabi ko, ang ganda ng weather. So, you have to come pag around this time, October, November, December. Kasi, ang lamig ng weather, as in, ang sarap. And, unlike if it's you go ng April, lalala ko sila Ivan kasi, di ba? Dapat April ako pumunta dito. Kasama sila Ivan, sila Calls. Pero if you come here that time, sobrang init. Unlike ngayon, sobrang cool. Walang araw. Tapos paminsan parang hindi mo na kailangan mag-sunblock. Ganong levels. Kaya, sarap. And then sabi ni Jackie, may masarap daw na ice cream dito, na coconut ice cream. So parang, before we leave and go back to Chiang Mai, I wanna try it out. Oh my gosh, guys, kakabaha rin lang nila 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago. So, grabe daw talaga. Lininis nila yan isa-isa. Makita niyo yung mga baha dyan. And then, this is a tiger. They're always like tigers daw. And this is a temple. This is a Blue Temple, guys. Ayan siya. Dito pwede mag-photo if ever. Kailangan nyo mag-photo. Mag-upside down kayo dito, oh. Ito yung loob niya, guys. See? Ito yung labas, guys. O, diba? Ang ganda. Private tour ang ginawa ko this time around. So, pero yun, guys, like it. Alam nyo kung saan naman kayo bubok. Masaya siya. And then, pinaka-happy ako yun doon sa isang secret temple. Is, alam mo, kailangan nyo ikutin yung mga temple sa likod. Kasi pag iniikot mo, ang dami mong makikita katulad nito. Like, if you don't go around it, hindi mo makikita na, oh, tingnan mo sa likod, iba. Meron ka mas maliit na temple. So, if ever you go alone, kailangan mo ikutin talaga siya. Daming artworks, ang daming sculptures, statues, ang dami na pwede nyo tingnan isa-isa. So, yun yung mga tips ko when it comes to this. When you're going around, yun talaga. O, diba? You can have photos there as well if ever you guys want. O, diba? Guys, may kusigat na coconut ice cream dito. Let's try this one. Coconut juice. Okay. Ayan, ice cream yan, guys. Ayan siya.
Fresh milk. Yeah, you can try.
Ayan siya, guys. Oh. Mas with rice ko siya. Guys, yun yung pineapple na sobrang liit to. Binak ni Jackie ng pineapple. And in fairness, ang tamis niya talaga. So, para at least alam nyo, iba. And ang dami, my gosh, may inihaw pa sila mga corn. Sabi ko nga, hindi ko na kailangan mag-shop. Kasi, girl, bilis ko lang dito sa Chiang Mai, diba? 2 days. Pero I like this tour. I love it. As in, relaxing. I think pwedeng kung kasama yung friends nyo, kung afford, mag-private tour kayo kasi pwedeng mabilis kayo. Kung ayaw mo na, okay, leave. Kung gusto mo, okay, stay. Parang ganun siya. So, pwede kayo do your own thing. Alam ko mas mura siya pag kasi di ba, akin medyo mahal kasi isa lang eh. Pero pag 2 kayo, 3 kayo up, feeling ko 3 maximum para comfortable kayo sa car.
1, 2, 1. Many.
Guys, oh my gosh, look what greeted me inside the hotel in Shangri-La. Ang cute, diba? Ito talaga yung lobby ng Shang. Ang ganda talaga. Like, Shangri-La is just Shangri-La. Worth every penny. Char, pag ganito, alam mo naman. Look, hindi pa ako nakakalabas dun sa pool. Balik muna ako sa room. Dami kong kailangan pang tapusin. Sobrang pagod ko talaga. As in, sobrang pagod. Pero, kaya natin to. Gusto ko pang night market. So guys, ito kami nagstay. Well, ako nagstay. And then, ito po yung Shangri-La. Ganda guys. O, diba? Ang cute. O. Preparation for Lantern Festival na talaga sila. So now, I wanna go to the night market. And I know that's just a few blocks away. By the way, may mga bangko rin dito that I can try and see. Pero, ang pinaka-importante is makapagpunta tayo sa night market to see kung ano mang meron. So, there's a very near night market around here. Didiretso mo lang daw yung street. Sabi rin to ni Jackie kanina, yung tour guide natin, di ba, when we got a true tour. So, oh, here's the temple, guys. And katapat niya may KFC. So, if ever you want food, meron pa dito, kaya mong lakarin from Shangri-La. Para sa kaalaman ng maraming tao, guys, I do like to go to McDonald's kasi test out ko lahat ng mga cards, diba? So that's why I will try this. Okay, let's try. Parang chicken rice ata to eh. Rice with chicken. So I think patapat nila to sa KFC. And their sauce here is barbecue. Try natin ha. What's up guys? Imkum rice. Guys, ano ko to? Favorite guilty pleasure ko talaga ang McDonald's. So, yes. Deserve ko to, guys. Chicken nuggets. Hot barbecue. Ang sarap, ang init. Sarap. Guys, malapit sa hotel, may Big C supermarket. Oh my gosh, we're gonna go and shop for stuff. Ang laki, tingnan nyo. Naku, bukas dito rin ako magtatambay for sure. Mga chichirya nyo guys, naka-sale pa oh. Boogs! Guys, yung mga pasalubong nyo, ito na. If ever kailangan lang, again, pasalubong wisely. Kaya mo gusto Big C kasi oh my god, tingnan mo. Pakyawan, para siyang macro. Grabe, may maleta pa. Oh my gosh. Guys, ang daming gamit. Grabe. Eh di dapat dito na ako bumili ng mouthwash ko, di ba? Kung alam ko lang, may Big C dito. Hindi ako nag-search, pero sige na. Sana wala dito stock yung Sensodyne na binili ko. Yes, wala. Ay, meron. Meron. Ay, mukhang mas mahal dito. 220 eh. Ayun o, 220 siya oh. Wait, check natin. Guys, mas mura sa Watsons. 220 dyan. 215 ko lang nabili sa Watsons. So, alam mo na, may ibang gamit pwede mong bilhin sa Watsons. I've compared back then, lagi mas mura sa Watsons. Kasi yung facial gel, bumili ako dati, yung sunblock ko. Mas mura talaga dun sa Watsons kaysa bumili pa ako dun sa... So, yun yung isang tip ko sa inyo, guys. Grabe guys, ang daming gamit. My gosh. Ayan, tinan mo. Oo. Tingnan nyo ng dahan-dahan, guys. Pati yung mga ganito, meron din. Itong crispy pork din, oh. Di ba sikat yan? Lahat ng mga kailangan nyo nandito. As in, oh. Dried durian, meron. Dried packs, meron. Buy 5 get 1, meron. Lahat. Ano pa bang kailangan nyo? Oh. Guys, oh my gosh, na-addict ako dito sa Khao Soi. See, they have fried noodles and noodles. Guys, may pad thai na ako. Ang ganda ng presentation niya. Like, ang daming gulay. Kahit hindi siya sulit na siya kasi nasa Shangri-La ko. Yung alam mo yun, yung naging sulit siya dahil Shangri-La siya, sis. Chili, lagyan natin maraming chili. Let's try. Not bad.